Hey everyone, we're here at Greenwise Publix, downtown Tampa, Florida. We're going to go in here and check on the team. We're giving away samples today. Come on in. Let's go. Let's go. Go ahead and load it up so we give from this side, right? It's actually good for you energy with elderberry, zinc, vitamin D, vitamin C. So we're a local company. We started locally. Publix is one of our retail partners. Prickly pear watermelon. I think it's going to be our leading seller. So Baker Mayfield in the house. Then energy complete. Eat healthy, drink healthy. Big peach guy in the house. I like it, man. Hey, the Berry Blast is flying off the shelf. Why don't we go ahead and restock this? Everybody's loving it. We're being featured as a wellness beverage of the year. The Berry Blast, peach mango, and the tropical.
I like the berry one.
We want to keep the coolers full, but we've ran out of stores where we've blown through all their inventory. Oh, I didn't say that too loud. Yeah, because there's no caffeine. Thank you, appreciate it. Thanks for your support. I tell you what, today was amazing here at Publix Greenwise, Tampa, Florida. Product was flying out of here. We gave away hundreds of bottles of samples, so we appreciate all the support. Thank you for being part of Thin Energy, the Vibe Tribe.